Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to format a chart in Microsoft Word document. So in order to do that, I'm going to insert a chart first. So in order to insert the chart, I click on Insert tab in the ribbon, and there I find an option called Chart. Click on here, and out of these options of different kinds of charts, I will use pie chart. Okay, and it gives you different kinds of previews like donut pie chart or 3D, and this is the simpler one, and I'm gonna choose the simpler one and click OK. So I inserted this pie chart in Microsoft Word documents. Okay, so I'm going to close this one, but the question becomes, how can you change this default data? So the default data comes in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel that you have just seen, and I closed that. And now the question is, how can you change this sales data and make it your own data? So I'll show that one right now. So click on this area and right click and edit data. So you can edit two options, like you can edit data in Excel. So I'm going to click on this option, and it's going to give me this Excel file. Okay, so instead of the sales data, I have the data that's called food insecurity. Okay, and then for the different countries, let's say Mexico. So Mexico's food insecurity, like 8% people are food insecure in Mexico. It's a hypothetical data. It's okay. And then maybe 3% Canada, and then all right, USA, and then Norway is a very progressive country, so their situation of food insecurity is better, should be better than other countries. So this is the data I have entered, and then close it, and there you go. It changes these legends: Mexico, Canada, USA, Norway, and then food security data. And according to, as I have shown you, that the Mexico has the highest food insecurity rate, right? 8.2%. This tooltip shows this. Okay, and yeah, that's how you update existing data in a chart. Okay, now the question is how to resize a chart. Okay, so there are two options. First option is click in this area and you will see this handle. So if you use this corner handle, and you can drag it to make it smaller, and all sides now changing, all right? But if you use this middle handle, it changes just the vertical line. Or if you use this middle, this one, it changes this vertical line, but this is for the um, this is for the horizontal line. Okay, so now you know this is how you change using this handle, but there's another way of doing it to make it like an exact dimension. Okay, so this one you do not know the dimension, but now I'm going to click on here, and then an option called see more, and then size. So in the height, it is currently 3.22, and in the width it is 4.31. So this one I'm gonna make 4, and this one I'm gonna make 5.5, and click OK. Okay, and then this changes. Okay, so we got the exact dimensions of this. So, and you can change it by going there. So now you have learned how to change the size of a chart. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to reposition this chart. Okay, and in that purpose, I'll make it a little smaller. Okay, now it is aligned on the left. Okay, so I'm going to change this. I'm going to bring it to the center. In order to do that, you have to be on the Home tab, and this is the center alignment icon. Click on here, and this is now positioned in the center. Okay, you can also align it to the right or align it to the left, but this is what I like. Okay, in the middle, in the center. Okay, so I've learned how to reposition the chart. Now I am going to show you how to change chart colors. Okay, so in order to change this chart colors, click here and then go to chart styles and chart colors, like these colors. There are many different color palettes. You can use any one of them. You can use this one, or whatever you like. So I'm going to click on maybe this one. Let's say this one. Okay. And this color palette has been changed. I would like this one. Okay. Yeah. So now let's say you want to change a color for the individual slice. For example, this data is for Mexico. You want to change the color for this one. So click here, click this area on the slice and right click. And then after right clicking, you'll find an option called fill. Click on this and you'll see different color options here. So you can choose any one of them from this theme colors, or you may need to see more fill colors from here. Like you can use this color from here. This is the new color, and click OK. But you can also customize the color, so you can choose one of them from here, but also you can bring a color code and paste it over here to get an exact color. So currently I'm going to choose one from here, which is this one, and then click OK. So the color for Mexico, this slice has been changed. So this is how you change the color of your chart. So now I will do a little more formatting. Okay. So in order to do that, I'm going to use the color element. So you need to click on this area first and then go to color elements. And you see you can, these two boxes are checked, like legend and data title. So you can see the data title, chart title, and this legends, and these legends are here. But you can also use data levels, like the actual numbers, like 3.2, 1.4, and there are many different options here. You can put them in the center of the slice, but you can also put them in the outside of the slice. So that way you see this outside of the slice. Okay, you can choose any one of them. So click here, and then I don't like it. Okay, so I'm gonna uncheck this one. It's better with this shape. Okay, so now the question becomes, let's say you don't want this legend over here. Okay, you want it to be on the right. You can drag it here, you can do it, and you can resize it by using these handles. Resize it using these handles. Okay, so that's how I resized it. And then click it again and also drag it down here, or drag it this side, or whatever side you want. Okay, but you can also go back here and legend option, and you can do it automatically using this thing, like, okay, top, right, and then left and bottom, etc. Okay, but you can manually do it as I have shown how to. Okay, yeah, now I will show you another formatting style, that is chart styles. Click on this, and this gives you a lot of different built-in designs for your chart. So as you can see this from here, if you click on this, this is the design, the preview gives you. So if you click on this gives you this kinds of chart, which is like 9%, 10%, 23%. So this is the pre-existing data and the built-in design. Okay, so this way you can use this option, the preset design for your chart. I'm not going to use one of them now. So the last thing, click on here in this area, and then you'll find an option called chart filters. Click in this chart filters, and you will see these categories. You may want to remove one of them. So uncheck this for Canada, for example, and then apply it. So now you have, instead of 4 countries, you have like 3 countries. 1, 2, 3. Mexico, USA, and Norway. You no longer have the Canada in this chart because you have unselected it. Okay, and then I'm going to check it again to bring it back and apply. So this is all about formatting in a chart in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel.